All right, so back to free enterprise. So another important part of a democracy is the free enterprise, also known as capitalism, which is what we just wrote in our last one. Another thing you need to know about capitalism or free enterprise is that the individuals, not the government, decide what to make, how to make it, at what price to sell it, and whether to buy it. The government does not tell a business how to make a product or what price they have to sell it at. None of that is regulated by the government. That is regulated by individuals. Obviously, greater demand tends to increase prices. Lower demand decreases prices, which just makes sense. It's not controlled by the government. So the next section is going to talk about government and free enterprise. So that's going to be your next heading. Government and free enterprise. So government does play a role, even though it's individual rights of free enterprise. The government has to play a role in the economy. So what role does the government play in a free enterprise? So again, they're based on individual freedoms. So for example, the U.S. government involvement in the economy is aimed at protecting both the public and private enterprise. The government regulates many economic activities to encourage competition and protect public welfare. The government also offers many essential services such as public education and public transportation. So that's part of the economy. They make money or they use money, but the government regulates it. And that is the end of Chapter 1, Section 3 notes. Sorry, I could not fit it in one video. But that is what you need to know about the basic concepts of democracy.